Hey you guys, welcome to my channel. Please like, comment, and subscribe. So on one of the other videos on my channel, I was teaching you all how to shop recession proof. So tonight I am making a pack of chicken wings, and this is what they look like. This is what they look like so far. I have let me show y'all what I have on there. All right, I have Goya, I have garlic powder, onion powder. I also have this miniature hot sauce. I did get it from Mexico when we were there. I also have paprika, black pepper, as well as Big Mama chicken. If you follow Lovely Mimi, you know. And so that's all that I currently have on there. The salt bases were the Goya seasoning in the Big Mama chicken. And if you want more salt-based seasonings, you can add. If you don't want any, don't add. But I'm going to put this chicken in the oven for an hour, and at the 45-minute mark I'm gonna flip it and maybe go another 15 minutes. And I'm roasting it on 395. That is a little high, but it currently is almost 7:30, y'all, and I have been shopping since, I'm just gonna say 2 o'clock, and I'm tired. So we're gonna put these chicken wings in, we're gonna let them roast, and then I'm gonna get started on a side dish. The side, which is the cabbage, and these are the seasonings that because I didn't have any ham hock or smoked turkey meats, I used this flavoring by Goya. My best friend told me about this years and years and years ago, and I have stuck with it. Onion powder, chopped dried onion, garlic powder, and greens seasoning is what's on here, and Big Mama chicken soup base. And I'm gonna add a little bit of water just for the chicken base, and I have black pepper. These are gonna be so good, y'all. I just need to check the water at the bottom. Let me check the water at the bottom. A little. I'm gonna add just a little bit more. I wonder if I put the lid on, if it would give me, I wonder if I put the lid on, if it'll give me the fluid that I need. I'm gonna put the lid on, y'all. Alright, I'm gonna put the lid on and see how much water it's going to render, and then if I feel like it needs more, I'll add more. Alrighty, so it's been about 5 minutes. Let's see if they've rendered any more water. Oh yeah, see, I'm happy I didn't put any more water in there. Red onions, cabbage, with the seasonings that I listed earlier. And we're gonna let these slow simmer for, I would say, 45 minutes. Just let them slow simmer. Keep your eye on the water. It's more than enough water to steam these down. All right, y'all. So y'all already know that I paid $2.88 for these potatoes. So my cabbage is on. My chicken wings are roasting in the oven. I think I'm gonna make some potato salad. We're gonna have potato salad, cabbage, and roasted chicken. I don't know. I might put on some baked beans, but I might wait for the baked beans tomorrow with our leftover chicken and potato salad. And I think that'll be a great transition into the meal, with the chicken being the second meal. So it's 12 pieces of chicken, whole chicken wings in there. We probably gonna eat 2 or 3 each tonight, which is 6, and we'll have 6 for tomorrow. But babe might take 2 for her lunch tomorrow, so we'll have 2 chicken wings a piece tomorrow. She'll have 4 because it's supposed to be 6, right? So she's gonna take 2 for her lunch tomorrow with these leftovers, and we'll have 2 a piece tomorrow with baked beans and potato salad. So that chicken for 2 people lasted 2 meals. Didn't I tell y'all that? Yeah. The cabbages that we're eating tonight with the potato salad is going to be really good. I'm probably going to eat cabbages and make some rice tomorrow, and that's going to be my lunch. I don't need a protein. I am trying to lose weight, so I'm sufficient in that. So yeah. And we haven't used a lot of our food that we bought. 1 pack of chicken that's gonna last us 2 meals. A head of cabbage that's gonna last 2.5 meals. And potato salad. And tomorrow we're opening up a can of baked beans. So I think we're doing pretty good, y'all. Bye. Oh, I cut y'all on to make the potato salad.
I'm no professional, but I can speak from experience and things that I've went through to start my business now. Because I feel we all are worthy of breaking chains that have us down, right? And y'all really great. This is one of them that okay, let me know if y'all ready for that next episode. I see y'all. Already enough. Yes, ma'am. No problem. You're always welcome. You're always welcome. You have a good night at work and be safe. Be safe. It's already enough. It's just that simple, y'all. Y'all believe y'all are already enough. Play some blue hearts in the chat. Play some blue hearts in the chat. Miss Prada, welcome in. Miss Faye, welcome in. Come on in here. Come on in. Miss Faye says, hey y'all, don't be shy, say it back. Why you laughing?
Jesus is my doctor, and he writes out all of my prescriptions, and he gives me all of my medicine in my room. And we're gonna re-rinse these.
Oh, Miss Faye, you ought to be saying yourself, man.
All right.
My Lord.
And we got our water boiling over here. I would add egg to my potato salad, but we currently don't have any. So it's just gonna be a basic potato salad, and I'll show y'all that in the next clip once the potatoes get tender. Girl, I've been in this kitchen and I work up a sweat. These are my water packets that I'm using. I'm trying to.
Come on, 48. Y'all let me miss the mark. If y'all ready for that next afternoon.
Is it gonna? No, it's not gonna focus. It's strawberry watermelon.
Maryland actually welcome in.
I normally do a half a packet, but because I'm low on water today, I did not drink a lot of water. I put the water packet in because it's gonna be real sweet. It's gonna force me to drink another bottle. Not only that, it's gonna force me to get full quicker with dinner.
I'm grateful for perspective. I know that for possibility.
Your kids would love these, y'all.
Oh, that's what you're grateful for. Marilyn, I got you.
They would love them.
I feel that too.
My grandma Velma,
You got one more coming.
and it's sugar free.
I'm looking for it. Laura, Linda, welcome in.
My grandma Velma used to love drinking the lemonade and sweet tea ones, and I never understood why
In all possibilities.
until I got older. Turn my cabbages down just a little bit more. They're good. If you have not ever seen this brand or this, anytime you cook cabbage, turnip greens, collard greens, any spinach with garlic and onions and a little bit of this, chef kiss this. It has onions, salt, sugar, spices, which include paprika, turmeric, allspice, red pepper, mustard powder, yeast extract, sesame seed, garlic powder, dextrose, and another form of yeast. You could tell it's sugar in here because it does clump up, but I took a fork, I grated it out, maybe a tablespoon and a half, and I put it in my cabbages. They are a little spicy, but that's fine for us. We like it. I think also I'm gonna add just a little bit of bell peppers and onions in my cabbages before they get done. Have just a little bit of these left. I mean, it's not even a full handful. See, maybe a cup. No, it's not even a cup. Maybe a half cup.
Oh, man. Oh, Lord.
Maybe a half a cup, and I'm gonna mix it in.
All right, what's that?
Just red bell pepper and whole onion. Just gonna add a brighten up your cabbages. Oh, they look good.
Come on, you good? Or you know, let me know now. Let me know.
Yeah.
I heard y'all was calling me.
And I'm gonna turn the cabbages off. And I'm just gonna let them steam until the rest of the food get ready. The potatoes haven't even started boiling yet. So, and let's look at the chicken.
Roscoe said,
Oh, look at my glasses.
Ruben, I thought you said they wanted me on here. All they do is laughing.
See? Look at here. Hold on.
Ruben said, oh my.
Hold on, I'm gonna pick y'all up. It's only been in there maybe 25 minutes.
I am the community.
I am gonna go ahead and flip it.
But I just want to say, hey,
I'm gonna go ahead and flip it.
I'm not really sure why. Ruben, why did they want me to come home?
They look really good, y'all. Really, really good. I don't like my chicken just done.
Y'all, so
This ain't even all the way done. I like my chicken all the way done, y'all.
So do I have to do game night like this tomorrow too?
No. Oh, this chicken smells good. It smells really, really good.
All you gotta do is laughing. His mouth foot, I know.
Okay.
Maybe I need to be
It look
sitting at a
good.
certain angle.
Look good, y'all. Look good. Let me show y'all again. This them flipped over. So they've been in there about 25 minutes. We're gonna leave them that side up. I'm gonna set the alarm for 30 minutes. Chicken be done in 30 minutes. Cabbages are done. And we're waiting on the potato salad. Y'all know what? My wife like cold potato salad. And so that's not gonna be chilled in time. So I'm gonna go ahead and break open this rice, and we're going to have cabbage, rice, and roasted chicken tonight. And then tomorrow the potato salad will be chilled, crack open some baked beans with the chicken. We'll just do it like that. Alright, so now y'all updating on the plan. Let's put it in the rice cooker. I gotta put this in a bag. And we rinse our rice. Do y'all rinse our rice? We rinse our rice. We rinse it until it runs clear. Alright, so I'll show y'all the plates when they're done. Alright, y'all. Dinner is ready. Let me show you.
Did you dance or did Tyrone dance?
I did make chocolate cinnamon rolls, cabbage, rice, and we have potato salad for tomorrow. So I'm gonna show y'all your plates, and we are about to eat.
I know you lying. I swear. I got the balcony door.